Today, let's make a soft and fluffy pipe cleaner peony flower. After the materials list, we'll go straight into the tutorial. Take 2 dark red pipe cleaners, fold them in half, and cut them. For the innermost petals, we only need 3 half pieces. Fold 1 half piece in half. Take one side and fold it outward, toward the center. Try not to pinch the fold too sharply. Keep the shape soft and rounded. Twist twice to secure it. Repeat the same thing on the other side. After adjusting the shape slightly, the petal should look a little like bunny ears. And now, the inner petals are complete. Continue making the remaining pieces the same way until you have 3 pairs of petals. Take 15 flower stamens and fold them all in half. Use the remaining half pipe cleaner from earlier and twist it through the center of the stamens to secure them tightly together. Add a little hot glue and attach everything onto the floral stem wire. Fold the pipe cleaner tail upward and begin wrapping around the top of the stem and the bottom of the stamens to keep everything together neatly. Gently spread the stamens apart for a more natural look. Now add some glue and slowly attach the inner petals one by one. Make sure the petals are spaced evenly around the flower center. Now, let's make second layer petals. Take 2 pipe cleaners, fold them in half, and cut them. Each petal will use 3 half pipe cleaners. Fold the pipe cleaners in half, then wrap 2 pieces onto the center of another piece one by one. After arranging everything neatly downward, measure about 4.5 centimeters and secure it using sewing thread. If you don't have thread, you can also wrap and secure it using the longest pipe cleaner. Curve the petal gently and trim away the extra pipe cleaners, leaving 1 tail piece. And now the second layer petal is complete. Make 6 petals in total. Now attach the second layer petals one by one. Each petal should be glued into the gaps between the first layer petals. For the third layer, prepare 2 pipe cleaners folded and cut in half again. This time, each petal uses 4 half pipe cleaners. The method is very similar to the previous layer, except now 3 pieces are wrapped onto 1 center piece. Just follow along with my hand movements here. This layer is secured at around 5 centimeters. Keep 1 tail and trim off the excess. Curve the petals gently. We'll make 6 petals in total for this layer. Then continue attaching them one by one into the gaps of the second layer. Now let's make the outer petals. Take 3 pipe cleaners and set 1 aside. Cut the other 2 in half. Each large petal uses 1 long piece and 4 short pieces. Find the center of the long pipe cleaner, then wrap the short pieces onto it one by one. After wrapping, gently fold soft wave shapes along the top edge of the petal. Arrange all the pipe cleaners neatly downward, then measure about 6.5 centimeters and secure everything together. Curve the petal naturally and trim away 1 extra pipe cleaner. And now the large petal is complete. Make 6 petals in total, then slowly attach them around the flower. Now, let's make the sepals of peony. Fold 1 green pipe cleaner in half, about 3 centimeters from the folded end. Bend one side upward and fold it back down to form a pointed tip. Repeat on the other side. Twist the tail twice to secure it. Then begin filling the sepal using more pipe cleaners. If one isn't enough, simply add another piece and continue wrapping. Follow along with my hand movements here. While wrapping the sepals, just take your time and go slowly. This part may look repetitive, but it really helps make the flower look fuller and softer in the end. If your pipe cleaner runs out, simply add another one and continue wrapping little by little. I personally find this part really calming to make. Just follow along with my hand movements here and slowly build the shape together. Trim of the excess. And now one sepal is complete. We'll make 5 sepals in total. Now let's make the leaves. Take one green pipe cleaner and shape the leaf outline by following my hand movements. Make sure both sides stay symmetrical. Shape the leaf slowly and keep both sides even. This will help the leaf look more natural and balanced. Once the outline is ready, twist the tails tightly together. Add another pipe cleaner in the center as the leaf stem support. Twist it securely from the bottom and bring it upward toward the top of the leaf. Now begin wrapping and filling the leaf slowly from the top downward. There's no need to rush here. Wrapping slowly helps the leaf look neater and more natural. At the beginning, I'll slow down my hand movements so you can follow more easily. The key is to wrap once around the leaf edge, then bring the pipe cleaner back to the center stem before moving to the opposite side. As you continue wrapping, try to keep the spacing as even as possible. This will make the leaf look cleaner and more polished. If the pipe cleaner starts shifting, simply adjust it gently before continuing. You can also shape the leaf little by little while wrapping to create a softer and more natural curve. Slowly filling the leaf little by little really makes the final shape look fuller and softer. At the pointed corners, wrap once around the edge before bringing it back to the center again. This helps keep the pipe cleaner from slipping out. I'll speed up this section a little, but feel free to follow along or skip ahead if you'd like. Continue repeating the same process until the leaf is fully filled. Add more pipe cleaners whenever needed. Try not to rush this part. Wrapping slowly will help the leaf edges stay neat and balanced. You can gently adjust the shape as you go to create a softer and more natural look. Small details like this make the leaf look much more natural. And now one leaf is complete. We'll make 2 leaves in total. Now let's make the small leaves for the sepal area. This part is very simple. Take 5 half pieces of green pipe cleaners, fold them in half, twist the tails together, and gently curve them slightly. And now the small leaves are complete. Finally, let's assemble everything together. Attach the 5 sepals one by one around the flower base. Glue the small leaves into the gaps between the sepals while gently adjusting the shape as you go. Now take 3 green pipe cleaners. Begin wrapping one of them around the stem below the sepals to neatly cover the floral stem wire. Now let's continue wrapping the stem slowly. Take your time with this part so the wrapping stays neat and even. Little details like this will make the finished flower look much cleaner and more natural. Once one piece is finished, continue with the next one. At around 10 centimeters down the stem, begin attaching the leaves one by one. Finally, continue wrapping the rest of the stem until everything is fully covered. And now our pipe cleaner peony is finished. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. I'll see you again in the next tutorial.